Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
ब्लॅक फंगसाचेर उपाय करपा खातीर राज्यांत पावलां उखल्ल्यात. गोंयांत ब्लॅक फंगसाची आनीक एक केस मेळ्ळ्या.
Right now 7. We got one more referred from private hospital.
So now 7 patients are getting.
Great.
And sir, any for amphotericin B private hospital?
Yeah. See, the central government has allocated us 100 yesterday. We already placed a purchase order. Today I got one more letter asking that we will get another 50 allocation. We have already asked for 2,000, and I think over a period we will get this required stock. Now the amphotericin, this is liposomal. Liposomal is a separate kind of amphotericin B. This is allocated now through the central quota. Nobody can buy it and keep. Understood?
So you have placed order for 2,000?
2,000 also. Our central pharmacy has placed an order for 2,000, and we all liposomal amphotericin B. And then we have identified a separate ward now for black fungus patient, and we'll keep all these patients there.
Patients were undergone surgery, endoscopy.
Yeah.
They are not recovering.
They are doing well. They are doing well. Next time I will keep my ENT specialist who is treating them so that you can get the information.
फाटल्या 24 वरांत कोविडाचे आनीक 39 बळी. जीएमसीत 19. दक्षिण गोंय डिस्ट्रिक्टांत 15 जाण सोंपले. बळींचो आंकडो 2,341. 4,581 जाणांचो रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो. पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट 36% लागीं. गोंयांतलो कोविड दुयेंतींचो आंकडो 1.5 लाखाक तेंकलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.